Guys, in today's video, I'm going to share some erotic movies from 2025 where the story might feel a little average, but trust me, the adult scenes are more than enough. So, if you're looking for movies not just for the plot but also for bold and intimate content, I think this video will definitely help you. And the first movie on today's list is Fall for Me. The story revolves around a young woman who travels to Mallorca to meet her sister. But once she arrives, she gets a major surprise. Her sister is about to marry a French guy. While processing all this, she ends up meeting a nightclub manager, and the chemistry between them is instant. The spark is so strong that you can already feel the steamy moments coming. And yes, that's exactly what happens. This movie blends passion with danger quite well. Every look hides a secret, and as the girl slowly starts uncovering the dark side of this man, the intensity keeps rising. What decision she makes in the end is something you'll experience while watching the film. This one is worth trying at least once. You'll get a decent romantic thriller vibe along with solid erotic tension. The lead actress is also quite appealing. You can watch this movie on Netflix. The next movie is Honey Don't. This film is packed with dark comedy and thriller elements. The suspense is so heavy that at one point, you might even feel there are too many twists. The story follows a small-town private investigator who is assigned a case involving mysterious deaths linked to a strange church. As she digs deeper, cult-like secrets begin to surface. She realizes how far people are willing to go in the name of justice. Along the way, she finds herself caught in risky and dangerous situations, creating several intense moments. One thing worth mentioning is that the movie includes some very disturbing and uncomfortable scenes. The story is decent. The twists may not be extremely strong, but overall it stays engaging. If you enjoy suspense mixed with bold scenes, you can definitely give this one a try. It's available on Netflix. Moving on, the next movie is Our Wildest Days. This movie follows a 2-year-old girl who escapes her dysfunctional family and runs away to Greece. There, she becomes part of a group of romantic outsiders who help forgotten people. The group itself is quite wild, and you can already guess the direction the story takes. The film clearly explores themes of freedom, passion, and an open lifestyle. Along with romance, there's also a touch of adventure, which keeps things engaging. The story might not work for everyone, but the scenes are quite hot and create a strong sensual vibe. Because of that, the movie manages to leave an impression. You can try watching it once. It's available on Prime Video. Next up is Eden. This is a survival thriller where the story focuses on 3 different European families who decide to settle on an uninhabited island in the Galapagos. Their goal is to build a perfect utopia, but as time passes, jealousy, secrets, and deadly conflicts begin to emerge. Inspired by a real-life experiment, the movie does a great job showing isolation and the dark side of human nature. Adult scenes aren't very frequent, but whenever they appear, they feel raw and intense. If you want a film with strong storytelling along with mature tension, Eden is definitely worth watching. It also stars my personal favorite, Ana de Armas. The movie is available on Netflix. Moving forward, the next movie is The Better Sister. Out of all the films on this list, this one probably has the most family secrets. The story revolves around 2 estranged sisters who reunite after a murder. One sister's husband dies under mysterious circumstances, and slowly, long-buried truths start coming to light. Watching how their relationship gets tested during the investigation and trial is quite gripping. The movie carries a lot of emotional weight. What these women go through while confronting their past, and what truth finally comes out, keeps you hooked till the end. You should definitely consider this one. It's available on Prime Video. The next movie is A Widow's Game. This film follows a young widow who becomes the prime suspect in her husband's stabbing death. She believes her clean image will protect her, but as the investigation progresses, more dark secrets are revealed. Inspired by true crime, the tension feels very realistic. Along with that, the movie includes several intimate and intense scenes. You should definitely try this one. As of now, it's not available on any OTT platform, so you'll have to rely on other sources to watch it. Next on the list is Forbidden Fairy Tale. The story follows a woman who dreams of becoming a children's book writer, but in reality, she works as a rookie member of an illegal pornography crackdown team. While fighting censorship, she gets involved in risky undercover missions. Slowly, steamy complications begin to affect both her professional and personal life. I won't reveal too much because some scenes are quite risque. Korean films often handle bold themes like this very openly. If you're comfortable with such content, you can give this one a try. It's available on Netflix. Moving on, the next movie is Just Kill Me. This story follows two sisters who leave their busy city life and move to a remote, peaceful village. But soon, dark and unexpected incidents begin to disrupt their lives. Themes like sexual harassment, danger, and confrontation make the movie uncomfortable at times. There's also an element of erotic comedy drama, though adult scenes are limited. Whatever scenes are there feel raw and disturbing. If you're into bold content mixed with heavy themes, you can try this movie. It's available on Prime Video. Next movie is A Copenhagen Love Story. This movie focuses on emotional and romantic struggles. The story follows a successful writer who falls in love with a charming single father. It starts as love at first sight, but fertility issues soon begin to test their relationship. Between medical treatments, emotional pressure, and breakdowns, their journey feels very real. The movie includes several intimate moments, some of which feel very genuine and relatable, while the emotional depth may feel uneven at times. The lead performances are strong. Overall, it's an engaging watch and is available on Netflix. Finally, the last movie on this list is Splitsville. The story revolves around two couples. After deciding to divorce, one husband turns to his friends for support, only to discover that they are secretly in an open marriage. Slowly, he becomes involved, and friendships turn into sexual conflicts. The movie features sexually charged encounters and awkward humor, giving it a slightly different tone. The story may not be very strong, but the bold and sexy scenes make it interesting enough. You can try this one as well. It's available on Prime Video. So guys, these were some erotic movies from 2025 that I wanted to share with you in this video. Let me know in the comments which ones you've already watched and which ones are still on your list. That's it for today's video. We'll meet again in the next one. Bye.